This is another real easy fall time soup. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making an easy and delicious chicken vegetable soup. Stay tuned. This chicken vegetable soup is so easy, and you can use a lot of leftovers in this recipe. I have some homemade chicken broth I need to use, and some leftover rotisserie chicken. The weather is getting colder, and I thought it would be a great time to make a big pot of chicken vegetable soup. In my pan, I'm adding in 4 cups of chicken broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Giving that a good stir, and I'm also boosting the flavor with 1 teaspoon of Than Bouillon chicken. I have my heat on high to bring this up to a simmer. For the seasonings, I have some salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 bay leaves, giving that a good stir. You can add the spices that you like. Some suggestions would be basil, marjoram, thyme, a little rosemary, or even some red pepper flakes for a little heat. Here, I have 1 cup of diced onions, 2 stalks of celery, about 2 cups of cubed cabbage, and this will cook down and reduce in size. And this is the convenient part, 1 small bag of frozen mixed vegetables. I use these frozen vegetables quite a bit in my soups, as they add a lot of flavor, texture, and bulk to a soup. Giving this a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 30 minutes. Occasionally I'll come back and give it a stir. Of course you can use the veggies that you have or like. Just be aware of the cooking times. These vegetables are long cooking and will hold up to the 30 minutes of cooking time. Later we will add the potatoes, which will only take about 15 minutes to cook. You could also add vegetables like zucchini or asparagus that would take about 5 to 10 minutes to cook. It's been 30 minutes, and I'm taking out the bay leaves and adding in 2 medium diced potatoes, giving that a stir and bringing back up to a simmer. Now is also a good time to give the soup a taste test. I'm adding in a little more black pepper and a teaspoon of parsley for a little pop of brightness. Giving another stir and cooking for another 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. And we are almost done. I'm tossing in about 2 cups of diced cooked chicken. Stirring and cooking for another couple minutes or just until the chicken is heated through, and we are ready to eat. This chicken vegetable soup is packed full of nutrition, flavor, texture, and comfort. It is so easy to make and great to take for lunch the next day. I hope you give this easy and delicious one-pot chicken vegetable soup a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!